How to zoom pictures in Canva. So first of all, open up Canva in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you land on this interface, now you have to create a project. Now select Doc in Canva. After that, you will land on Edit Page. Now from here, navigate to your left hand side and click on this option that says Apps. Now from here, what you have to do is upload an image that you would like to zoom in Canva. So click on Photos. Now choose a photos that you want to zoom in, or else you can upload a picture from your gallery or from your device storage as well. For example, I have this picture right here. Now once you have this picture in this edit image page, now select the part of this image that you would like to zoom in. For example, I want to zoom in this text part right here. Now what you have to do is navigate to its edges and there you will get this adjuster option. All you have to do is click on it and then adjust the way you want and then simply zoom in it. Again, you can zoom in at the upper side as well. There you will have an adjusted option. Click on it and then drag as you need. You can perform the same steps with the left side as well. And you can keep on magnifying this. So you can simply adjust with this adjuster on this interface. You can adjust from its edges and then simply zoom in the part where you would like to magnify your image on. So that's how you can zoom image in Canva. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.